Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix DaVinci Resolve unable to initialize GPU error. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the DaVinci Resolve and select open file location. Now copy this file path like this, and now just close stuff here and go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Select the browse. Now you just need to paste the path we copied and press enter. Now scroll down and select the resolve.exe and select add. After adding the DaVinci Resolve, select options. Select high performance in this list. By selecting high performance, this will use your GPU. Select the save option and just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to update your graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance select settings, select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and select a custom size. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this values, install size and maximum size. Copy the values depends on your RAM. Just to copy and paste it in install size and maximum size. Same thing. Copy depends on your RAM and paste it in maximum size. Select the set option. Now the value should be set under paging file size. Select the OK option. Select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type choose power plant, click on open it. You just need to select this show additional plants and select high performance in this list. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5 is to download and install the older version of DaVinci Resolve. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Now you just need to select this view by to category, select uninstall a program. Find DaVinci Resolve, just right click on it and select uninstall. After uninstalling the DaVinci Resolve, just to close stuff here and check my video description for this link. Scroll down. Under software updates, you just need to scroll down and find DaVinci Resolve 16.2.6 update. Here it is, DaVinci Resolve 16.2.6 update, released on 27 August 2020. You just need to select the Windows version and download it. You just need to fill your name and every details and select register and download option, and it will start downloading guys. After downloading the old version, you can install that version and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.